everyone, Luigi are back here again. We're doing this, the continuation of part 1. Let's go, Luigi.
I don't think we can go this way. No, we can't. We can't go the other way.
Wait, what does the menu say?
The menu say? Hold on.
Yeah,
Help.
there's like a lot of...
Start the fire to keep warm to avoid dying from frostbite. Can we
So,
just burn these?
so this whole time we're just dying because we're just trying to stay warm.
And last time we were in first person, we did not know we can zoom out, so I guess we're gonna have to stay in third
Make the
person.
game less scarier.
Isn't that sniper struck from TF2? Isn't that just struck?
Maybe. Oh, this is a wall. I think that's just a free wall.
Get free wall. Wait up.
Oh, okay.
Right behind you. We gotta go this way, this way, this way.
Huh?
We're going the wrong way.
You found
I
the
found a note
campsite. Where?
Oh yeah.
You did? I don't see it.
Oh,
Hey, wait.
Mario.
Let me get one. Alright, I got it. Where's the campsite?
Oh, I see what we have to do. We have to collect wood.
But it said you found a camp. Oh, here it is.
Very
Go,
cold
go,
out.
go, go. Oh, we gotta put the wood in first.
Yep. Hey, I still have my gun.
Where do we put this wood?
I have no idea. Probably set it up like right here.
Yeah, put it down. It isn't working.
I don't know. Probably set it up. What the heck is this? Oh,
Let me see.
the ground is soft, so we can't place it there. A cartoon cat.
What? What
An
is
old dancer. I'm just clicking on these. I'm just clicking on these.
Yeah, hold up. Get your wood. You start clicking everywhere. Alright, open up the menu. Open up the menu so we know where to put it. What does it say on the menu? What does it say?
It just says start the fire to keep warm. Avoid dying from frostbite. So I guess we have to hold on. We gotta get like 5 pieces of wood. We already got 2, so I guess we gotta find more.
Wait, did you get 2? I got 3. I got that one, so we just need 2 more. Let's go looking.
I got 1.
You got 1, I got you got 2 of them.
Oh,
Why?
it's our shadows. It
Oh
was just our shadows.
seriously, bro?
You got scared by a tree.
It was a tree. That's something in your face. This is a shadow.
I thought I saw something.
Did you hear that?
Yes, that was just our footsteps.
Alright, maybe this way. Let's see.
Start coming.
Let's see.
Oh, Mario, we're just going in the woods.
Yeah.
Which is not a good idea to go in.
There's a trail leading this way.
Yeah, but I don't think there's gonna be a trail to anything.
Let's see.
Wait, Mario! Look!
Huh?
Weather's cold mine. Let's go to that later. We're going to that later.
Wait, where's it pointing? Oh. Oh, wait. Do we actually? Are we actually? Oh,
Mario,
wait,
we can go. Can we go to this later?
yes. Let's find those the wood.
How many pieces of wood do you have, Mario?
I have 1. How many do you have?
1.
Don't destroy my thing.
Oh,
Don't destroy my
no.
thing. I see little baby that's bleached down there. What you doing? What's in your hand? What are you doing?
I'm just gonna carry this out.
The other thing.
The other one.
Oh.
I'm just gonna carry the wood out.
Oh. Come on, down here. Whoa, where are you going?
I'm trying to find some wood.
Hold on. Stay right here. Entertain the viewers. I'm about to do something right quick. Yeah, just speak to
Dang
me.
it, I can't do any emotes.
Well, just speak to the viewers about like their day or something like that. Let me do something right quick.
You are now watching the Dancing Luigi. Enjoy.
So you'd already be there. Yeah, that's smart.
Full kick. There's. Let me see. Go to Cryptids. You could hear their horrors in our voices this time.
Yeah. Ooh, that's the second conversation. I put a sticky
In
note on
our
leather.
voices this time. 7 likes for part 2.
Cheers.
Game link. Alright. Okay, Witch, are you entertaining the guest?
Yes.
Alright, are you saying anything? I mean, like, you're very silent tonight. I don't think people are just.
I mean, they're watching the Dancing Luigi.
How are you dancing?
Flashy dance.
Alright, then say something to them. Like, explain, like, how was your day or something like that.
So, not much of a talkative person, only if we're like focusing on the game. Nothing else much, but
Alright,
I'm
I'm back.
doing
I'm back. Let's go.
okay.
Let's go.
Alright, let's do this. We gotta
Okay.
find some more wood.
That makes it worse.
Okay, let's see. Jump.
Maybe we have to put it in the tent or something.
Yeah. Maybe so. Let's see. Well, I mean, like, there's sleeping bags in the tent, so I'm not sure about
The ground is soft. Start cooking on the ground.
that. Wait, Luigi, look, something's over. Over here, look.
Oh, that's where we have to put the logs. Oh, those are just white mushrooms. I thought it was something else.
An axe. I'm not, don't mind if I do. Oh, I can't take it. Oh, how did you get it? I just.
I accidentally got it. I'm sorry. Sorry, Mario.
Uh-oh. Luigi, look. Another one. Get it.
Oh! I couldn't get it, but place him down.
Okay, go get that other one.
Mario, did you hear that?
Did you hear something scream?
No, that was like a flute. That was a flute.
Oh.
Yes.
Let's go
Oh,
to
yeah.
bed. Time for bedtime.
Oh!
What's that?
It's
Luigi?
some...
Luigi, what's that?
I don't know.
Save me! I'm out of here!
There's more! There's more, run!
Where?
There's more of them. Run!
Ouch!
No.
We can't even fight them.
A mask!
A mask?
I found one out of 18.
Oh, we have to find.
They're
Wait,
taking over our camp.
look at the menu. What does it say now?
Start a fire to keep warm. Avoid dying of frostbite.
We
We
just
already did
started
these.
one. Are we supposed to go to bed? Or something?
I don't think we're supposed to go to bed. I feel like we're supposed to fight back, but I accidentally took the armor. Can I drop it?
You have
Oh, I
that.
can drop it. Mario.
Huh?
Mario, stay there, right there.
Uh-huh. Did you drop it? Oh, thanks.
There you go.
Let's go fight now. So we can go to bed. Now we're
Reloading.
good. You coming? Look at that. Wait, what is that?
Oh, got it.
You killed him?
I killed one. Oh, behind.
Luigi! away from
Oh,
Luigi.
owie, ow, ow.
I got him. Okay, Luigi, let's talk a bit.
Wait, I feel like there's still more. There's more, there's more, there's more.
Get it, get it, get it. Ow! Ow! Shoot it!
Got it.
Ooh. There's one more.
The raid has ended. And the cult members left the hideout for...
We can find what they're hiding out now. Also,
Wait
luckily,
a second.
we regained health. Luckily.
There's a tent right here.
No,
It still says start the fire.
they said to go to the door. They said they left their hideout, so let's go find it.
I see something in the distance. I see something in the distance.
Really?
Over here.
What could it be?
This might be their door. Wait, what's this?
Get your
Oh,
weapon
we're
ready,
entering.
Luigi. Get your weapon ready.
Wait, let me reload. Wait,
You reloading?
wait, hold on. We gotta search the room. Search the room.
Alright, check the room.
No! Mario, this is not good.
What's wrong? Let me see.
My flashlight battery went out.
Wait, we have a. Do you hear that? I'm not walking. Are you walking?
Get your weapon, get your weapon.
We gotta open the door, Luigi. Okay, let's open the door. Whew. Yeah, keep your weapon on you at all times. Being ready.
I still have my lighter.
Wait a minute.
Do you still have your flashlight?
My battery ran out. Bro, how all of a sudden our battery flashlight ran out? You hear that?
Yes, I hear that.
What if it's behind us? I got her back. I got the back. Yes, I got the.
It's curtains that run, 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 run.
Close the door. Close the door. Close it. There's a few seconds till doomsday, Luigi. I'm standing on the school. Because I don't know how to.
Wait,
We gotta fight him, Luigi. That's the only way. Ready?
wait, isn't that... Wait, hold on.
He's coming. Open the door. You gotta be ready.
I'm not opening that door.
You got to. You wanna show lazy you're impressive? Or should I do it and show teachers I'm impressive?
If you say it like that, then...
Uh-huh. Yep. Let's go. Isn't there? Oh, so only if we. So that's what the holes in the wall are for, so we can run.
I don't think that's... It's meant for that.
Well, come on. Let's go.
Mario, wait, stop.
What? What do you mean?
I hear it. I hear the stop. I hear the stomping.
Luigi, figure stuff out. I'll be right back, alright? Luigi would figure stuff out.
I, hello? Oh, can't do it. I 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 can't. I can't do this by myself. I can't do this by myself. I can't. Do this by myself. Okay. Don't need to see that image. Then, oh, I can't do this. My battery power's out. Mario's gone. Alright, I'm going in. Uh,
Luigi, I hope you've been entertaining the viewers because you know they hate quiet.
I'm trying to. I just can't do this alone. I
Uh,
tried. I tried going. Look, you lead the way. I'm not doing this.
no, we go on the same. We stay at the same.
Come on, grab a candle. Grab a candle.
What do you mean grab a candle? I can grab a candle?
Yeah, you can grab a candle. Get back here. Come on.
Hold
No,
up.
other way. Get back here.
Alright.
Wait.
Oh yeah, wait, take your candle off because it lights out when you run. So for now, let's just go. Come on. Alright, right now, let's see. Luigi!
What?
Look! Luigi? Oh,
Coming.
come on. Whoa!
Standing statue.
Uh-oh. Is your weapon ready?
Wait, it's dark. It's dark.
Okay, you get your flashlight. This time I'll have my weapon.
I can't have my flashlight.
I mean, not your flashlight, but your candle. You know what I mean. You lead the
Going
way,
in
I'll
third
have my
person.
axe.
Going third person.
Okay. I hit him. Luigi, we can't stand in place, so he's gonna pop up from somewhere.
Wait, he's here. I hear him.
We gotta keep walking, or he's gonna catch up eventually.
And
Luigi, he's right there. He's coming. Oh boy.
don't get on top of me.
We must die at the same time, Luigi, or you're gonna be alone in this maze.
Stop getting on top of me. Your shoes stink.
Oh, come on, I understand I step on Goombas a lot, but they don't stink that bad. Okay, we
It
gotta keep
smells.
going. We gotta keep going. I got my weapon ready.
Mario.
Okay, I thought that
Alright, let's go.
she needs to let herself get a listen.
He's
It's
near.
one,
Or she be
two.
going up in assisted living. She's not about like Mistaken. She's about, not even about. She
Luigi, I
works
think
and
we're
they
lost. I don't know if we
told
could get
her
back to
that
the
that's how
exit or
you want
not.
her mouth. She wanted to like she got.
Uh-oh.
I said, but she's not. I said,
We
well,
made
she
it.
say
We're supposed to
something
go
like,
down this way,
well,
Luigi,
I
where the
don't know
doors are.
why I don't do something that I am physically able
Oh.
to do.
Yay! Wait, I don't feel like... Yeah, I knew it. It's a dead end. We gotta go just straight down. We gotta go straight down. I got my weapon ready. A weapon? Is it another gun? For me?
You can take the
Dude!
rifle. You take the rifle.
Okay, give it to me. Where is it?
Drop it.
It's
Okay,
given
hold up.
juice. Where you have to mindset.
It won't let me drop it.
How did you drop it last time?
I just pressed the X and I pressed backspace.
Or press backspace on the gun.
It's not letting me.
Well, nice, Luigi. You took two guns from me. You better be useful then. I use my axe for now.
Your juice don't work like that. Everybody
Okay, maybe we have to go the first door. I hit it. Oh, wait, wasn't there a door? Luigi?
What?
Ah! I
It's
have
like right beside us.
a bad feeling about this. Get your weapon ready. I can hear him very close.
Mario.
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 Action
Mario. Mario.
One star. I would just say like simple stuff like just get them in your car, get them out the house. Get them in, at least just get them in the car. You get them in the car. Nobody's not gonna get nothing from there. Get them in the car. You won't even move them from their spot. Like.
Oh. If you run with the candle, it starts to go out. Guys, we're in a huge pickle right here. Oh!
Because at least you have them right there.
I did not mean to shoot that. Mario, I need you! So we can go together, because I'm not going down there alone.
Yeah, beginning. Yeah, like let the fish give me something to push through with it. Yeah.
We're basically in a pickle right here, because we do not know what to do. Escape the Coltman, they're... Dang it, bro. Oh, we don't know where to go.
You better get right there with it. Unless you say you're gonna push through and do the whole surgery on your whole arm, and like you just said, you know you don't want to do that. Yeah, that's a lot.
Mario. Not good.
Did you talk
I
the
feel
whole
like we're
time?
in a pickle here. Yes, I was talking the whole time.
Okay, good job. Okay, make sure you have your flashlight on, because I can't see much. Oh, you both have our flashlights. Come on. We gotta keep going. Daisy's not gonna give you 4 p.m. any sooner. This way? Oh, run, 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 run!
Tom?
I see him. Whoa! What? Luigi,
What?
don't die. It takes all your items away.
Oh.
That,
Mario, you're gonna have to guide the light now.
what do you mean? I don't have no weapons on me, so if he finds me, I can't fight, and it turns out you can't kill him. It's just
Ow.
a don't run into him type of situation.
But my candle went out and all I have is a lighter.
If you die, then you get a new candle, but I don't think you want that happening. You lead the way, because last time I died. Let's go. Alright, let's go. Don't run, because it makes your light go out if you... Oh, that's your lighter. Never mind.
Wait. Up. He's coming.
Really?
I saw him.
Okay, be careful. I'm right behind you. Is he in the front?
But you left me over there?
No, I'm still here. I'm just checking around to make sure he's not coming from here.
Over there.
Alright, let's go. Should we do this in first person? Because I feel like in first person I'm able to run more faster. Luigi! Luigi, wait. There's something right here. Oh, never mind.
Go.
Go! He's right there! Run, Luigi, he's right there! We're getting somewhere. The floor changed. Alright, back here. Mamma mia! Statue! Did we make it? We made it! Yes! Luigi! Oh no. This is just level 2. Luigi? Ow!
Mario, I can't see. No, Mario, calm down. Right over here.
Dude, I have
1924.
anxiety, dude. I don't even have a light anymore.
Error.
Woo, yeah! Luigi?
Mario, I clicked on the door. It said the right thing is behind you, and then something showed up.
Oh.
Won't
Man.
open.
That door down here.
Okay.
Yes!
What?
We did it!
Oh, okay.
Home, sweet home! I don't want to go here anymore. I'm tired! We're going home, Luigi. I'm sick and tired of this place.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
We're making it out here alive! Boy, we lost the one up on the way, but I made it. We made it.
Mario.
What are you? Yeah. Home, sweet home. Right, Louis? Oh my. Are you serious?
Got free.
Luigi, what are we supposed to do at a carnival? I don't think we're scot-free.
We might.
I hear something. It sounds like coming. No. We gotta go up the mountain, probably.
4 o'clock in the morning.
Yes, Luigi, come on.
You know what?
Luigi, look, it's the bridge.
Stop!
Oh my
You
god.
heard.
Look,
Open
dude.
that door back up, girl.
Look.
I know.
Yes! Wait, which way though?
I'm gonna say.
That looks risky, like very risky. This way, probably.
Hold on, wait up.
Avery, calm down.
Wait,
I
this
don't think
one
that's
has
over.
lunch.
Come. Damn, you come
Wait,
here.
Luigi's the
You see, I'm
place.
not gonna be
Come
yelling.
on.
I'm coming.
It's
Wait
you,
up.
ma'am.
Come
What
on, let's
I
go.
say though?
Okay, we're careful.
Well, what did I say?
Careful. Luigi, I think this is the way.
What I say?
Come on, we're almost
So
there.
sit down. Calm yourself
Coming.
down, then try it again.
Alright.
But you're not gonna leave it until you calm yourself down.
Cause
We'll be here until you come. It's on you.
oh yep, Luigi, I have a feeling this is the way we're supposed to go.
But yeah, your daughter went to sleep at 4 in the morning because she was trying to record
We're supposed to go this way. Ah, when we thought it was over, it happened again. Oh yeah, we got the lucky ending.
Mario, I told you we have to go that way.
Oh, it's cut free.
What's
That's
the
all that
problem?
matters. Come on.
You gonna make
Yeah.
me snap? Can you tell?
I didn't
You
lose
think you
any of
can-
my
it's-
stuff.
It's gonna go
This is
from
all going in my
frustrated to
room.
getting sad.
Well, right
Now
the
you wanna
end.
pick your vice,
So
so stop.
come on, right the end of the game.
Stop. These warning,
got two guns.
Wait, this doesn't have a straight line. Oh, it does.
Now, you giving him
Alright.
too much of your energy again.
We're almost there.
Mario.
Just keep it. Yes.
Mario, these
What?
2 guns that I have are going in my room.
Don't go back.
Nice.
You don't follow her. She said
No.
I
she
got
didn't.
2 extra guns. I got
The one that you
shotguns.
took.
Now you gotta stay with me.
Wait.
Something doesn't feel right. Oh, if we fall off, that's bad news.
What does that say? Hold on.
Oh, we gotta do obbies. Alright, Luigi, come on. Wait, no, Luigi. That's the wrong
I
way.
know. But hold on, wait. What? Hold on, wait. I'm coming.
What the? Oh, that's what we're supposed to. Oh boy, that's not good.
Hold on.
Something made that go up.
She was coming in.
Luigi, you might have to press something.
She
Whoa!
was falling or she
Oh
was
shoot, I am very sorry.
Dude.
Something heavy.
Oh, I'm alive. And my flashlight works, but now I'm super far away from you. Because you have to do
Even
that,
after
dude.
she already called you, please start calling you again.
Mario.
What? Don't enter it
Right.
because it might be a enter it before
Oh, wow.
5 minutes or 3 seconds, and then I get left behind.
Oh Lord, you're gonna do that again.
I see what.
Mm.
Uh-huh.
I'm coming, but oh, don't. I mean, I'm about to join you. I'm just running so I can reunite with you. Just hold up.
Mario, I see what has to happen.
What?
One of us has to stay on the thingy.
What if someone did the solo mission? How would that work then? There has to be a way past that because a solo mission person won it.
Okay, so you can. So yeah,
Sorry for going AFK a lot of times, guys. It's understandable, right? Especially when you're just starting the channel and stuff. It's understandable. So please
Mario,
don't.
you
Yeah.
have to stand on the plank.
I'm about to come over there. Okay. There I go. What plank?
This thing. You have to stand on this and then lift.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Okay, hold
Don't
up.
jump it.
Okay, hold on. Stay on there. Stay on there. Let me see. Hey, whoa, dude.
Sorry.
What to say, man? What is wrong with you?
Nothing's wrong with me.
I'm just saying, you almost got me
I
killed.
didn't touch one.
Oh.
By
Ah!
accident. Wait, Mario.
No, there's octopus underneath the bridge.
Wait, Mario, what about me?
No,
It's gonna group teleport, I think. How am I supposed to get you over there? It doesn't show anything. Maybe I have to find the rock or something? Like, you might actually... Let me see. Look at the menu. Look at the menu. Help.
Find a night item heavy enough to place on the plank.
Oh, you have to find something. Don't worry, I'll team teleport us.
I don't think it's gonna team teleport.
I think it might. If it says entering, then yeah, there's a big chance it will.
I don't think it will.
Alright, let me let you catch him.
Luigi, we almost made it to the end. We're almost there. Well, I'm almost there. Just a few more steps and we made it.
This ain't fair, Mario. I had to help you out over there, and you're just gonna leave me?
Because I think we're 30 minutes and we need to finish it up.
Wait a second. I think I might have found a way.
Luigi? It's not over.
Huh?
It's not over.
Not over?
No. There's a cave. Nope.
Hold on. I think I might have found something heavy enough for this.
Really?
Maybe. I found like some statue with some rope on it.
Alright, yeah, use that. We went up in part 2 because of how long this has been. Let me see. The last video was like 12 minutes left till it was fully updated.
So that does work. I need to get some statue.
Well, you have to go in a cave, so this will be part 2's ending. Okay. Okay, so wait a minute. Yeah, we'll do part 3 later. And this might be the end. Because the game still continues, which is sad. Like, if you even want to do part 3, it wouldn't save our ending. Which is sad.
Mario!
You made it? You got it?
I'm making it.
I can make you cross over this. You gotta. Oh, you made it! Come on! You did it! Come on. You're almost there. Alright.
I made it!
Yes. Let's try to finish the game. Like, if we end it here, it's just gonna do. Once we leave the game, it's gonna remove all the
I
progress
had
you
to
made.
lead so much. This time you take the lead, and I take the weapon.
But flashlight doesn't work. I don't think it does. Oh, it does, but it's very dim. First person time. This flashlight's weak.
I'm going third person. There's no way I'm doing first person.
Yeah. Okay.
Head on in, brothers.
Yeah, what are we supposed to do here exactly?
I don't know. Oh, Mario, stop. What is that? What is that?
I see it. A mask? Another gun. I'm taking this one, alright? What is that?
Alright, what is that?
Hold up. Use a flashlight right quick.
I can't. It's out of battery.
What? How does your flashlight out of battery? Oh! 1 out of what?
Mario.
Yeah?
Mario. Get your flashlight out.
I got it. What is? Dude, why? It's a statue. What? How are we
Mario.
Yeah?
That was not there before.
Correct? Look me. Oh, that's just the way out.
Come on. I see a door over here.
Really? Where?
I think this is the door. It is.
What's in here?
Wait, hold on. Search the Mario.
Yeah?
The picture.
Oh, somebody left their cat outside for too long.
Don't tell me we're gonna have to face that.
Wait, look. Press the button. Oh. You got a lighter?
I got a lighter, you got a flashlight.
Will that work
Oh, wait,
on this?
can we search these?
Huh?
Search the room, see if we can find anything.
Dude, the thing that's so sad is that if we try to get off, you know this won't save our progress, guys. Yeah, if we have to get off,
Found a
then
gun. I got
no, that's not fair. You're stealing all of them. Mm. Give me one now, since we're in the safe room right now.
give you one. It's not letting me drop it. I can only drop the some other things. Human teeth? Ew.
Maybe if I drop it off
Mario,
my
I found a
inventory.
weapon.
Oh, really? Is it a gun
Found a
or is
weapon
it
for you.
something useless? I'ma see.
I found a weapon for you, right here.
You gotta be kidding me, right? A fort. That doesn't even work, dude. Well, maybe we use
Wait,
the
can you
fork
actually
to.
collect it?
Yes. Look what's in my hand. What's this? Let's see.
Oh god, I did not mean to click that.
No, let me in. Luigi. Did we finally finish the game? Please tell me we did.
I want to finish this. I hate this is such a long chapter.
Yes.
Plus, I want
They
to go
must
to
have put a lot
bed.
of work. Yeah, same. Hmm.
Oh god.
What's wrong? Oh. What?
Yes.
Oh. What do you mean, yes?
Oh, I got batteries.
Oh, that's what you meant by yes.
Oh god, it's so dark.
You might have to go in first person because it makes you see better in this chapter. Wait a minute, this might be a statue one. Hold on, I'm gonna look back. You tell me what happened. Yeah, okay, both look back. Now let's look. Okay, it doesn't move. Just be cautious around that door.
Can I take a knife?
Alright, let's go. Wait, oh, that's just the elevator where we came from. Oh, this way, Luigi, this way. Not
Oh,
this
yeah.
way? Oh, yeah, this way. What? That
No, it's
doesn't do
nothing.
anything. So, wait, where are we supposed to go then?
I have no idea. Oh, Mario, look.
Huh? Oh, wait, hold up, wait. Luigi, how'd you get up here with your higher jump advantage?
It's called high jump.
Okay, thank you. You gave me a boost. Finally, are we getting
this?
home?
Mario, what's this? If it's something that I can collect, I'm not getting it.
Yeah, you can't pick that up. Luigi, I hear the walking feet again.
Oh, come on.
Yep, third person time. Oh, whoa. Whoa. Did you see that?
Back in the cave.
Come on. Daisy's waiting for you.
I don't think she's in these woods.
Yeah, I mean, like, wait for you at home, because we got tricked into the, I say the end of it. Why is this chapter so long?
I have no idea. Speed limit 35. Speed limit mushrooms. I don't care.
Okay. Wait.
Hearing noises.
What? Wait a minute. This feels so
Wait,
familiar.
help. Save the sheriff from mind pictures. Or find another way out of Seven Devils.
Okay,
You
so
just gotta
there's
either
two
save the sheriff or
endings.
find a way out.
So there's two endings to this. Let's just find the way out. R.I.P. the sheriff.
Yep.
Or
That's it.
let's go. Dude, where are we supposed to go? Well, maybe we should just, give up. Luigi, do you think we should just give up?
Yeah, I would love to.
Alright, then let's tell the viewers right quick. Yeah, we're gonna give up. So Luigi, do you confirm to give up?
I confirm to give up. We got pretty far, but
Yes.
I'm afraid this chapter might be very too long for us, and I have no idea if I'm gonna be able to finish
Yeah, do
it
you
or
know how
not.
long we are in this one for?
Oh god, that just scared me.
We've been here for 45 minutes. So yeah,
45 minutes.
yeah, we did a good run, guys. That's all. Yeah, no part 3 because it doesn't save your progress, so game over. Hmm.
Yeah, game over.
We will react to these videos though and see how we sounded though.
Mhm.
Alright, bye bye.